So welcome back again. So if you have made it to question number 6, then you are actually on the right path to securing your CKAD exams. So in case you don't know me, I'm the founder of CodeJanitor and I'm also recently CKAD certified. My main mission is to also help you clear your exams. So without further much ado, let us jump into solving question number 6. So with question number 6, we are expected to build a Docker image. So 80% of the time you will see this kind of questions in your exam. So you have to really pay attention carefully here. So let us see what the question has for us. So on the node file system, so on this part contains a valid Docker file. Using available container tools, build an image name, this one, and then using this part as well. So we have to also save the image as a tar file into this directory. So before we start working, first of all, let us go to the screen and then verify if we have this Docker file in this folder. So clear the screen here. So I will say K, not K. So ls, you have to ls. So we are in the root, so we have to check. So it's ls, and then it says API app. Let us see if it's the right part. API app. So ls API app. Now we can see we have a Docker file here, so that is good. So to build the Docker file, so we will say docker build -t. We are going to tag it, so the name is going to be API app. The name is going to be API app, and its version is the 2.1. So usually in the exams you might see that they won't give you exact clean path like this. You'll be asked to use the name API app with a version 2.1. So you just have to know how you conjure this up. So now, where does this file exist? It exists in the API app. So usually you can cd into that folder and then do it, but you can also do it as I'm doing here. So docker build -t, and then we will just say this one. Now we can see our file is being built. So the next command that we have to do is to save the Docker image into a tar file. Okay, and then we have to save it to this directory. So in order to save it, so we have to say docker save and then we have to use the name that we use here. So docker save -o, so we have to output it. So -o to output it into a tar file. So output it into this directory. So I will paste it here, and then I will run the command. Nice. Now that we have successfully saved the Docker file into this directory, let us cut it and see. So cut. Nice. So once we can get this kind of gibberish file, then we can be rest assured that our application has been created successfully. So I will exit. So now we have successfully solved question number 6 as well. And remember, if you need access to the same materials and also to prep your environment as I'm doing, You can always find the link in the description down below, and don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and share with anyone who also wants to clear their CKA exams with flying colors. So good luck, and I'll see you in the next one.